Unit 7. What time is it?
What time is it?
It is 1 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
It is 2 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
It is 3 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
It is 4 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
It is 8 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
It is 11 o'clock.
Very good. Now, a quarter past. Ready?
Ready.
4:15.
It is a quarter past 4.
5:15.
It is a quarter past 5.
6:15.
It is a quarter past 6.
9:15.
It is a quarter past 9.
12:15.
It is a quarter past 12. Now you. Ready?
Quite ready.
Half past.
Okay?
7:30.
It is 7:30.
9:30.
It is 9:30.
11:30.
It is 11:30.
3:30.
It is 3:30.
Very good, Lena. Now 1:45.
I'm ready.
This is more difficult.
I'm quite ready.
4:45.
It is 5:15.
8:45.
It is 9:15.
6:45.
It is 7:15.
2:45.
It is 3:15.
11:45.
It is 12:15.
12:45.
It is 1:45.
Very good. Now you.
All right. Minutes past. Ready?
Ready.
2:05.
It is 5 minutes past 2.
3:10.
It is 10 minutes past 3.
4:20.
It is 20 minutes past 4.
10:25.
It is 25 minutes past 10.
Very good. Now, minutes 2.
I'm ready.
This is more difficult, Jim.
I'm ready.
2:35.
It is 25 minutes to 3.
5:40.
It is 20 minutes to 6.
8:50.
It is 10 minutes to 9.
11:55.
It is 5 minutes to 12.
We can tell the time.
Yes, we can tell the time. Can you tell the time now? Practice.